Good morning, YouTube. Big day here for our house. We're gonna go get some new tires.
From Sarnia, Ontario.
In true YouTube fashion, we are running behind, a little late. It's hot today. Let's go, we'll take you there. You can see quite a bit that the sidewalls are a lot softer. We're noticing that as we're taking the tires off and putting the new ones on. The sidewall and the new ones are much thicker. So the sidewall flex on these old ones here, it's just pushing with my thumb. Pretty good flex. And I got the new one. I don't know if you can see that. New one's so much better. Uh-oh, riding dirty. Friggin' riding dirty over here. All right, we got one down, 3 to go. One side down, one side to go. And side 2's done. Look at those new tires. Oh yeah. So now we just have the slide issue to fix. Alright, so we got new shoes on our house.
Slick shoes!
Made easy by Blake at Bayview, so I just want to thank Blake again for helping us out, and thanking my cousin Tom for hooking us up with those tires. And our tip out's broken and we need to take our trailer back to Ayer tomorrow. So stay tuned for the drama. The drama continues. Hey, Capital Blonde, if you maybe want to sponsor us, our logos are fairly similar, and your beer is pretty tasty. Anyways, we thank you for watching. Bye for now.